Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Scotty Knows, and I'm taking you on another journey here in the garage. As you can see, this past weekend I had a little bit of downtime, so I went ahead and cleaned the garage. So what I'm going to do now is continue working on the motor here. I did put together a few more pieces here, and I'll show you guys that in a moment. But the first thing I want to tackle tonight is this intake manifold. I've never completely taken one apart before, except for taking it off the motor itself. But the premise behind that is I'm going to clean that up, shine it up, make it clean like this motor best that I can, clean all the gaskets, clean all the pipes, make all that happen. So let me take you over to the workbench. Now, one thing about putting this back on, I did have a random filter in the garage. I went ahead and just put that on, didn't put any oil, seal it, just to set it on there for now. And then I installed all these things here. I do need a couple more bolts, so I had to order those. Also got brand new hoses for everything. I didn't show in the video, but this weekend after I cleaned the garage, I did paint this a little bit. Not that great, a little dirty, but it'll work for what it is. Everything on the inside is clean. So, over to the intake manifold. So this thing's been sitting in the garage for quite a while. What I'm going to do is take everything apart here, take the throttle body off, fuel rail, all these hoses I purchased today, so that'll be in another video. I got a couple more days to wait for that. But I'm going to take everything apart, clean it up as best that I can, and then hopefully we'll be running pretty good. First I'll scrape this gasket off. The pipes in there are pretty dirty. Get all that cleaned up, so let's get started. Let's get this thing cleaned up.